A toxicant is any substance that under practical feeding conditions can impair animal metabolism and produces adverse biological or economic effects. An important concept in toxicology is that everything is toxic at a sufficiently high dose. Dose toxicity is dose dependent. The terms poison and toxin are often used synonymously with toxicants. According to their chemical properties, alkaloids is pyrilosidine and piperidine alkaloids. The second is the glycosides. It have saponins, cyanogens, and glucosinolates. The third is the proteins. It have protease inhibitors and hemagglutinins. The fourth is the metabinding substance or inorganic toxicants. The fifth is the phenols, the glycol, and the tannins. While the number 6 is the mycotoxin, the toxic metabolites produced by the fungi. The effect on nutrients utilization. Natural toxicants and anti-nutritional factors reduce how efficiently animals use nutrients in feed. They impair proteins digestion, mineral availability, and carbohydrates utilization, and may increase vitamins requirements. As the result, animals show poor growth, reduced feed efficiency, and a higher risk of nutrients deficiencies. Alkaloids are basic organic compounds that contains nitrogen, usually within a heterocyclic ring. This nitrogen atom is responsible for their basic character and much of their physiological activity. Because of this structure, alkaloids readily interact with enzymes, receptors, and nerves in animals and humans. Alkaloids and their sources. The number 1 is the atropine. It is deadly height shade. It affects the nervous system by blocking parasympathetic nerve activity in animals, and it can lead to dry mouth and toxicity. The number 2 is the cocaine. It is the leaves of the coca plant, a powerful central nervous system stimulant. In animals, it can cause hyper excitability, cardiovascular failure. Number 3 is the quinine. Hemlock, a highly poisonous alkaloid that interferes with neuromuscular transmission. The number 4 is the morphine. It is a dried latex of opium poppy, a strong analgesic alkaloid that depresses the central nervous system. Number 5 is the nicotine. Nicotine is tobacco, a neurotoxic alkaloid that affect the autonomic nervous system. Number 6 is the quinine. The cinchona bark, it can be toxin when consumed excessively. Number 7 is the solanine. Unripe potatoes, a glycoalkaloids found in green of sprouting potatoes. Number 8 is the strychnine, seeds of Nox vomica. It is extremely potent neurotoxin. Pyrolysidine alkaloids are defined by the presence of a pyrolysidine ring in their molecular structure. Compounds such as the cyanidenine and heliotrine are highly toxic and present serious risk in livestock feeding. Quinine and related compounds occur in poison hemlock and are among the most significant piperidine alkaloids affecting livestock health. While species of the genus Nicotiana, including both wild and cultivated tobacco, contains nicotine, atypical pyridine alkaloids. Indole alkaloids come from tryptophan, with ergot alkaloids like perlylene disrupting nervous and vascular functions, causing serious toxicity. Phenolizidine alkaloids have two fused 6-membered ring and are found in lupin plants. Tryptamine alkaloids present in Pilaris tuberosa lead to Pilaris poisoning, causing sudden neurologic symptoms like tremors and convulsion. Atropine alkaloids from the Torres species strongly affect the central nervous system, resulting in nervous excitement and paralysis.